What I wanted to do is take the time to show you how I'm setting these large bluestone steppers. Now these are fairly thick, as you can see. They're about maybe 2 inches or so, and they happen to be size-wise. They're 3 feet by 18. Now I like the 18s for steppers in the sense that the spacing, you'll see the wooden blocks there. Those wooden blocks are about 6 inches. So what I'm doing here is I got the Grabo. I'm using the Grabo and to move around the bluestone and set them, lift them because of their overall weight. Now I also have a string line right next to me, so that's basically allowing me to head in the direction I'm going and have a reference. But I'm also using the level, which you'll see shortly, where I'm kind of taking the level to level up to the stone before, so I'm kind of on the same plane and the same angle. Now once again, just put in the little block in order to kind of get a sense of where I need to be, and then I try to line up edge to edge. Now what's nice about the 6-inch block is that it's a very comfortable step from stepper to stepper, plus it allows you to really get some grass to grow in between each one. Now normally with the Grabo, it's probably not advised to really let the weight of the stone you could basically damage the Grabo if you kind of keep it on there. So if you're kind of moving it up and down, I'll just kind of like let the weight of the stone take its own fall and compact the gravel underneath, and that's kind of what I'm doing there. Now next, just kind of wiping off the gravel so I can put a level and see how I'm looking from the one to the next. And then I also have the 8-pound hammer. Now the 8-pound hammer is really nice to really put some weight into these stones and get it really nice embedded. Now one thing you'll notice is when I do lift them up, I can always tell whether or not the stone has settled or if there's any open spots or voids. So like right here, I'll kind of lift, and if I have to, I'll do like a little sprinkle or taking a little bit of the gravel, just kind of throwing it into the different areas to get it up or down. The other thing is too, with the hammer, you really can hear the sound. It's going to be nice and solid sound when you're hitting it. And if you have like a hollow sound, then you got to add a little bit more gravel like I'm here. And then just kind of, once again, just like lifting it up and letting the stone fall with the Grabo. So the Grabo really makes a world of difference to make it easy to lift up, put down, lift up, put down, lift up, put down. A stone like this, it takes anywhere from 5 to 7 minutes to set. Depends on really how everything is prepped and the overall thicknesses, but that's what I found. And then now I'm coming back in with my 2-pounder. Now that everything's nice and set, and just kind of using that to kind of hammer in gravel around all the edges so it's nice and tight. My corners of the stone from the next are lined up. My string line's good. Next I'm going to probably take the block. I'm checking the level to make sure I'm kind of on the same plane. And here we have it. Everything kind of set, fill back in with dirt. It's just a really, really easy solution to create a nice pathway without a huge investment. So thanks for checking out this video. Look forward to seeing you on the next one. Take care.